Hi, guys. Today's story is for my green group, and it is called Taste and Taste Buds. So think to yourself before we begin, what does it mean to taste? What kind of things do we taste? What do we use to taste? And what exactly are taste buds? Do we know, or do we need to learn? So let's find out. Taste and taste buds. Your new words this week are bitter, encyclopedia, facts, lemon, listen, middle, mirror, only, sides, sour, taste buds, those. The new names are Hank, Sam, Claire, Joan, and Ted. And our new uses are letter, look up, bumps, and sticks out. Sam looks at the clock. He is late for class. Sam runs into the classroom. Sam's teacher is standing in front of the class. She is talking to the boys and girls. The children are sitting quietly in their chairs. Sam, you are late. Please come to class on time, the teacher says. Sam finds a chair and he sits down quietly. The teacher says, "Today we will learn about taste and taste buds. We have taste buds on our tongues. Taste buds are inside the little bumps on our tongues. Our tongues are wet. We put food into our mouths. The food touches the wet taste buds. The taste buds tell us about the food." What do we use our taste buds to do? The teacher shows the children a large mirror. The teacher sticks out her tongue. "Look at your tongues in the mirror," she says. "Your tongues have tiny bumps on them. Do you see them? The tiny bumps cover your tongue. The taste buds are in those tiny bumps." Whoops, sorry guys. "Animals," the teacher says, "have taste buds too. Not all animals have taste buds in their mouths." Excuse me. "Some animals have taste buds in different places. Fish can taste with their tails. Other animals have taste buds in their mouths. People have taste buds only on their tongues." The children look in the mirror. Some of the children giggle. Hank wants to know more about taste buds. "How many taste buds do I have in my mouth?" Hank asks. The teacher doesn't tell Hank the answer. She says, "Let's look up the facts in the Encyclopedia." Hank walks to the back of the room. He looks at the encyclopedias on the shelf. Each book has a letter on it. Hank wants to look up taste buds. He looks for the letter T. Soon, Hank finds the book with the letter T. He carries the encyclopedia to the front of the room. He gives the book to his teacher. Hank and the teacher look up taste buds. Hank finds the facts. He reads the facts to the class. The boys and girls are quiet. They listen to Hank. People have 3,000 taste buds on their tongues, Hank reads. The children were surprised. They all look at their tongues in the mirror again. Claire asks, "What about other animals? How many taste buds do other animals have?" "Yeah, what about pigs, cows, and whales?" Ted asks. "How many taste buds do they have?" Hank reads more facts from the encyclopedia. His friends are quiet. They watch Hank. Hank answers the questions. A pig has 5,500 taste buds. A cow has 35,000 taste buds. Some whales have no taste buds at all. The facts surprise the class. Hank says a whale eats many, many fish every day, and the whale can't taste them. Hank reads more facts to the class. The taste buds on their tongues are in different places. The back of the tongue tastes bitter things, Hank reads. What tastes bitter? Claire asks. Tea tastes bitter, Hank says. The sides of your tongue taste sour things and salty things. Lemons are sour and popcorn is salty. The front of the tongue tastes sweet things, Hank says. Sugar and syrup are sweet. There are no taste buds in the middle of the tongue. It can taste nothing. Hank puts the encyclopedia back on the shelf. The teacher wants to show another idea to the class. She puts 2 cups on the table. One cup is full of apple juice. The other cup has tea in it. Hank tastes the apple juice. This tastes sweet, he says. Then he tastes the tea. This tastes bitter, Claire. Here, you taste it, he adds. The teacher brings some bowls of food to the table. She says, "Taste the foods in these bowls. Try to taste the difference between the salty, sweet, bitter, and sour foods." The children taste the foods. They have fun. They try to tell the difference between the taste. And that is the end of Taste and Taste Buds. So what I want you to do now that you've listened to me is pause the video on each page, mute the audio so you can't hear me talking, and read through it at least 3 times on your own before listening to me again and then taking your test on the playlist.